Hi, I'm Ash from Theia. So first, let me do a quick intro of our team. We are a team that has experiences in both the video game industry and the blockchain industry. The core members have more than 7 years of experience in development and operation of large-scale online games, and about 5 years experience in blockchain industry. We have done a lot of innovative attempts in both DeFi and GameFi. So without further ado, let's get started. One second. So we think there are 3 major pinpoints in the industry. First, the current GameFi model cannot really self-sustain, and the GameFi contents oftentimes cannot really support the value of its in-game assets. And we think the real demands from the blockchain gamers are not fulfilled yet. On the other hand, we do see this industry has great potential. It has large user base, not fully explored, like composability, and some unknown possibilities, maybe like cross-game mechanism. So what is Theia? Theia is a metaverse GameFi. It combines NFT, DeFi, and game. The story of Theia is set in the universe, and the players can drive their own spaceships to explore the planet. Theia is built on the following 8 parts. Let's start with the magic box. Oops. The magic box is the main way to obtain the spaceship NFT. We have already conducted the first phase of time magic box sales in December. The price was 25 BUSD each, and a total of 2,000 magic boxes were sold out within 3 days. Spaceship in Theia have 5 different ranks, and each of them have a different drop rate. So you can see here, like we have 2 different types of like magic boxes. One is time magic box, another is space magic box. The probability is a little bit different. And here you can see there are 5 ranks of the spaceships, and the S ranks are the special ones. But you can get A rank to D rank through the magic boxes. The second part is auction. The S rank spaceships is very special. It can be only obtained through auctions and some special events. S rank spaceships have the characteristics that they cannot be disassembled. Then we have a marketplace called Spaceship Factory, where players buy and sell spaceships. Any player can sell duplicates and buy the ones they don't own. All the trades will be settled in Theia token, and there will be a 5% transaction fee. Next up, Interstellar mine. We have 3 different mines, and they are functionally differently. So one of them will be using Theia token, and they will have different slots. Players can use NFT, which is a spaceship, to accelerate the mining like output. And there's also a mine. You can provide liquidity to the Theia USDC trading pairs to mine. And finally, you can also disassemble as many spaceship as you can, which will in a way to accelerate the mining output. This is the interface of players to view their in-game assets and check their ship properties. And now we are seeing the spaceship synthesis. So higher level spaceships can be obtained by combining two lower level spaceships. It will require tokens, Theia and energy. Theia is the general token of Theia. I will explain it in detail later. And the energy is a special token that can be only obtained by disassembling the ships. The synthesis process is very simple. For example, you have a C rank spaceship. First, we can just select two D rank spaceships, then select the specific C rank ships you want, authorize the wallet, and pay with the tokens. And you can see here the success rate is 100%. So we have added the following three innovative ways to play in Theia. There are spaceship prize pool, Interstellar Pillage, and Shield Guardians, also Spaceship Pioneer. There, the first we're looking at is Spaceship Prize Pool. So the top 10 buyers of the weekly space magic boxes will share the spaceship prize pool. They're also coming from 5% of the spaceship box income and 5% spaceship synthesis fees. And for the Explorer, you can build fleet with 5 ships, and the higher capacity of the fleet, the greater of the probability of exploring like advanced planets and like greater benefits. The planet will be graded into different stars. Okay. And let's just go through the philosophy behind the design. So for the spaceship prize pool, one second. We think like a player like who has a B rank ship, he wants to sell, but like, I mean, like the, maybe I should go through the Pillage first. One second. Okay, here. So this gameplay encourages players to be more active, giving out more rewards if users played more. The shield is distributed to users to players through all kinds of activities in order to encourage players to participate more. The designs mentioned above like strengthen the light interactions between users and the smart contracts, which lead to a stronger sense of competition and social interaction. And for this gameplay, we really emphasize the collection element of the game, so that players can earn and have achievements like in different stages. And this is the overview of the logic diagram of the whole game. And here is the tokenomics. The main token of the Theia is called Theia. It is a utility token, and it has the power to vote. And it's also, you can participate in the government through the DAO. And it will be using in the magic box purchasing and mining. The allocation is, you can see here, like the community will get 75%, team will be sharing 10%, investor 4%, and IDO will be around 1%. And finally, foundation will have 10%. But the foundation will be also using for community airdrop, initial liquidity, marketing, and management. Finally, this is our roadmap. Since we are already in the January of 2022, and we already launched our game in the December, we have a lot to do like in the 2022. So from quarters, we have relatively specific plans but we will see how it goes. And that's all I'm sharing today.
Okay, thanks, Ash. So you just ended right under 10 minutes. Let's go with the Q&A right now.
Okay.
Okay, so you said earlier play-to-earn games were unsustainable. And how do you plan to solve this problem?
Yeah, like we are not saying like play-to-earn is completely unsustainable. So like we think play-to-earn games need to have more support of their like in-game items. And for example, we have implement like we called disassembled, which may be a little bit different from the just destroying the NFT of the game. So from disassembling, you will get like an energy token, which stands for which is ENG, right after you disassemble it. So for example, a player like who got a B rank spaceship, he wants to sell it, but the market, his listing price is too high. No one wants to buy it. At the same time, he wants to do something more. He can just kind of disassemble this ship or like giving away this ship to the protocol. In receive, he will have this energy token, so he can do more stuff. And in the future, we will be combining this disassemble like element like mechanism with other protocols, not just with the energy token. We will have something more, but we are not ready to reveal it right now. But we will have more. It will have more connections like with the DeFi, because we think the DeFi has very strong composabilities, which can be used in the GameFi. But right now, it's not that like combined together yet. We have already have like very good ideas how to combine them together, but this is just like a glance of what we want to do.
Okay, so apart from the level of their spaceships and other equipments, what is the more important factor in terms of who will win over the other party in a space battle? Is it pure luck, or is it skill, or cool calculation, and more strategic or tactical thought?
At the first stage, it will be combining with certain numbers and also randomness. I mean, like, so if you have a better ship, in terms of like a conflict or in terms of a battle, like you will have advantages, but the advantages does not guarantee you will win the battle. So this is our first stage design. And for the future, we will try to make it more like robust and interesting. So there will be more there will be more like more aspects to consider, like when it comes to the battling. But right now, like in the first stage, we only consider randomness and maybe the initial like numbers or attack points of each spaceships.
Okay, so about this Theia tokens and whatever, and I think you mentioned energy tokens, right? And also you have one other token, right? Theia or something?
Oh, no. Like it's a dual like tokenomics. We only have two tokens. It's Theia, TIA, and also energy, ENG. And energy can only be produced whenever like you disassembled like a spaceship.
Okay, so I'd like to know more about these two tokens, about how they work, but you'll probably run out of time. So I guess we can discuss more of this later.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.